If you no longer wish for a piece of content to exist on a certain URL, you can detach the entry from the Site View node. To do this, head to Site View and use the tree to navigate to the node that you want to detach your entry from. By right-clicking or choosing the three dots, you can open the context menu and choose Detach Entry. To confirm this, type in the name of the entry that you want to detach from the node. And once that's been added, choose I understand, detach the entry. With that done, the node changes in Site View to an orphan node without an entry attached, and from here you can either choose to attach a new entry to that node or delete the node. So there you have it. That's detaching an entry in Site View.